Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to add an album to a playlist on Spotify. This is great if you want to save all songs from an album in one spot without adding them one by one. Let's dive in. First of all, open the Spotify app on your phone or desktop and find the album you want to add to your playlist. You can search for the album by using the search bar at the top. Once you are on the album page, look for the options menu on mobile. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner. On desktop, right click anywhere on the album page. In the menu, you will see an option that says Add to Playlist. Select this option. Now choose the playlist where you want to add the album. If you don't have a playlist created yet, you can go back to your library to create one. To make sure the album was added, go to your playlist and check that all the songs from the album are there. And that's it. Now you have successfully added an album to your playlist on Spotify. This is perfect for when you want to keep your favorite albums organized and easy to access. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Spotify tips. Thanks for watching.